Hi, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Guys, as you can see, this is a strange place I'm in right now. I'm in Magboroka city. I slept here. I came since yesterday afternoon. I slept here. We came for workshop and I'm going to be here till on Sunday. So this is Tuesday. We came yesterday on Monday. Now morning, no. Yes, thank you. Adikam. So we came yesterday on Monday afternoon and we're going to be here till Sunday. So guys, guess what? We're going for a workshop, a school workshop. I was so tired yesterday, but I just have to come. Guys, I'm dressed and I'm going there now. The time now is 7:25. We should be there at 8 a.m. So I'm going small. I'll be taking a bike. And before I return to my 91, guys, I'll be going to different places here. I'll make sure to visit boys' school. I'll ask people to show me historical places. Yes, I just want to give you a little tour later on. Maybe in my next videos or whatsoever, but I'm definitely going to do something here. Yes, I'm going to be doing something here. So this is the district council, all the council, because here is the headquarter of my 91. So there are so many places here. We have boys' school here, one of the oldest boys' schools in the north. I think here is the best. What am I saying? I think Magboroka has the oldest boys' school in the north. Yeah, I came there the last time, and we have the girls' school also. I will try to go there. I've never been there, but I know it is here, and I don't know else. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna do something here for you. So, guys, stay tuned for more updates. Guys, good morning. Yeah, you can see this environment. This is a district office. Let's come and see. Let's come and see. Are you seeing all of you guys? This is the district office, Tonkolili Magboroka. Are you seeing, guys? Secretariat, treasurer, district office, guys. So around this vicinity there are so many, as you can see. There are so many offices around here. Yeah, they have prisons here. I think over that fence over there behind this building is the prison, and over there is for teachers, because I came to collect the school supplies from those buildings. The office is down there. So this particular area is all the district headquarters office are located in this area. So we have if you want to renew your certificate, because I came here, the district council, everything is around this. Over there I think is the prison. Over there is the prison, guys. So let's cross our fingers, because you're gonna get, this time around I'm gonna explore Magboroka for you. This time definitely I'm gonna explore Magboroka for you. After this workshop I'm gonna go places before I return back to my base. How the money? Yes, so I came here. I've been coming here. I came the last 2 years or 3 years. I came here again for 1 week for the same workshop, guys. But I was staying with Auntie Awa's daughter. I remember Auntie Awa, the one who was taking Marie for antenatal in the hospital. Yeah, Auntie Awa's daughter was here. Auntie Awa's daughter was here at the Magboroka government hospital. She was studying nursing, guys. She was studying nursing in this hospital. So she was here for over 5 to 6 years. So when I was coming, I was staying at her place. But this time around, she has returned. And I forgot to tell you guys, Auntie Awa is now a grandmother of twin, a boy and a girl. That lady gave birth to a set of twins 2 months ago. And now they returned to my 91 because she cannot take care of the babies alone. So she needs her mother's help. So she's there. So Auntie Awa is very busy now. That's why you've not been seeing her in my videos. So when I return to my 91, I'm gonna show you guys. When I return to my 91, I'll show you those twins. Alright? I forgot to post them to you guys. So just stay tuned for more updates. So guys, over here is the government hospital. But I'm not going to be touring there because obviously in the hospital they don't allow cameras. They don't allow cameras. The government bus just passed with guys. Over there, over the street, is the Magboroka government hospital. Yeah. Let me come and take a bike. This compound you're seeing, the hospital is very, very big. Bye, Kirego. Oh. So guys, are you seeing the environment? The Magboroka government hospital. Over there. As you're seeing, people are passing everywhere and everything. The morning rush. So let me try to take a bike. Stay tuned for more updates, guys. Guys, I'm here in the hall. Some outside. The program has not yet started. It's not easy. Room 1, we have room 1, room 2, and room 3. Guys, here is boys' school. I'll be giving you a tour after the end of this. After the end of this program, I'll definitely tour this compound. This is the senior sector, and we have the junior sector down there. So, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Yeah. I'll be posting because I have so many videos right now piled up for you guys. So I'll be posting them every day now. Every day I'll be posting, yeah, to release some videos. Yeah. So stay tuned.
They watch and you don't even know waiting for tele. They come back. I want choice now, say, this is don't go. The parents, they just don't go for them. You need to write it.
Guys, the one is over. We are going back to our destinations. The one is over. We're going back to the places where we lodge. Going home. Going home, the one is over. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll stop this video here for today. Others are going, maybe, okay, let's go to the highway. I'll do some talk. Let me know. All right, mommy.